Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. In this video, we are going to learn from verses to. From verses to, both of are preposition. So let's see what's the difference between from verses from and to. Okay. So in this video, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, from and to are two common prepositions that indicate direction, origin, and destination. So here a breakdown of their uses. Okay, so from and to are two common prepositions. Okay, indicate direction, origin, and destination. Okay, guys. So I hope you understand. Two common prepositions that indicate direction, origin, and destination. So let's see one by one. First of all, we see uses of from. Okay, uses of from. First use here, origin and starting point. Origin and starting point. We use from, like for example, I am from India. I am from India. Okay, I am from India. So I can say this is origin or starting point. My starting point, my born in India. So I say I am from India. Okay, so how to use from? We use from for origin or starting point. Next, the package is from Amazon. The package is from Amazon. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. When we use from, we use for origin or starting point. Okay, so example, I am from India and the package is from Amazon. So let's use from. Next use of here, source or cause. Source or cause. For source or cause, we have to use from. Let's see example. Example here, she is suffering from a cold. She is suffering from a cold. Okay, cold is a reason here, a cause here, because she is suffering because of cold. Okay, so we have to use from. Or suffering cause, suffering source. What is suffering source here? Suffering source is cold. Okay, so we have to use from. Next example here, the problem arose from a misunderstanding. Okay, the problem arose from misunderstanding. So in this sentence, from here, so can you say from use is here? Is it right or wrong? I think you can understand easily. This is a right use of here. Right use of from here is right. Okay, so because source or cause. Source or cause, this is here misunderstanding. Because misunderstanding arose problem. Okay, so the problem reason is misunderstanding. The problem source is misunderstanding. So we can say we have to use from before misunderstanding or source or cause. Okay, so we have to use from before source or cause. Okay, you can understand. This is first example and this is second example. Okay, so these are use of from. First, origin or starting point. Second, source of cause. Source or cause. So before origin or starting point or source or cause, we have to use before. We have to use from, not to. Let's see uses of to. Okay. So here uses of to. First use. First use here, destination and end point. Destination and end point. We use to. Okay. Let's see example. I am going to the store. I am going to the store. The store is my destination. Store is my end point. Okay, so before end point or before destination, we have to use to, like this. Okay. Next example here. Let's send the letter to her. Let's send the letter to her. So her is my destination, her is my end point. So we have to use before destination, we have to end point to. Okay. So I hope you guys understand both example. Okay. Next use. Next use here, recipient or target. Okay. Recipient or target, we have to use to. Okay. Like example, let's see example. Give the book to me. Give the book to me. Target. Before target or before or receipt. Okay, we have to use to. So give the book to me. So this is our target. This is recipient. So we have to use before recipient or before target to. Next example. I sent an email to my boss. I sent an email to my boss. Okay. So my boss is my target. My boss is recipient. So before boss, before recipient, we have to use to. Okay, guys. Next use here, purpose or goal. Before purpose or goal, we have to use to. Okay. Let's see example. Example is here. I work to earn money. I work to earn money. Okay. In this sentence, what is my purpose? My purpose is earn money. So before earn money, we have to use to. Okay. Next example. Be steady to learn. Be steady to learn. So why we study? Why we study? So before study, so before learn, we have to use to, because my purpose is learning. My purpose is learning. Okay. So before purpose or before goal, we have to use to. So there are three uses of to. First, destination or end point. Second, recipient or target. Third, purpose or goals. Okay. So I think you must remember these goals, these uses of to, or these uses of from. From for origin or starting point, or source or cause. That's it. But for to, destination and end point, recipient to target, purpose or goals. Okay. Let's see example in one sentence, from and to. Okay. So example here, simple sentence examples. First we see simple sentence examples. So I am going from home to work. Okay. So in one sentence we used from and to. Okay, so you know from for origin or starting point. Starting point is here home. I am going from home. This is my starting point. This is my origin. To work. Work is my purpose. Work is my goal. Okay. So I am going from home. This is my starting point. This is my origin. To work. Work is my purpose. Work is my target. Okay. So I hope you guys understand when we use from and to before target or purpose or destination or origin. Okay. Next example here. She sent a letter from Paris. She sent a letter from Paris to New York. Okay. So what is, now you tell me, what is the starting point? Starting point is Paris, because letter is sending from Paris to New York. New York is my target. New York is my goal. New York is my purpose. Okay. So before purpose we have to use to, and before starting point we have to use from. So she sent a letter from Paris to New York. I hope you guys understand easily what's the difference between from and to. Okay, let's see more complex examples. More complex examples here. First example here, the package was shipped. The package was shipped from China to the United States. China to United States. Okay. You guys understand? Package was shipped from China. So China is starting point. China is origin. So before starting point we have to use from. My purpose, my goal is United States. So before purpose, before goal we have to use to. China to United States. Next example here, that he traveled from New Delhi to Mumbai to attend a conference. Here are two use over here. Two, okay. So he traveled from New Delhi. New Delhi is starting point. This is origin or starting point. For before starting point we have to use from. But he traveled from New Delhi to Mumbai. Mumbai is a target or purpose. So we have to use to. And to attend a conference. This is next purpose. First purpose, the Mumbai, and next purpose, conference. To attend a conference. First purpose is Mumbai, second purpose is conference. Okay, so guys, you understand? Before purpose, before end point, before target, we have to use to. But before starting point, before origin, we have to use from. Okay, let's see next example. We were moving from our old house to new house. Okay, we are moving from our old house to new one. Okay, so from before starting point, use before starting point. Starting point is our old house, and our end point and our purpose and our next destination is a new one house. Okay, so I hope you guys understand easily when we use to or when we use from, you can easily can difference between from and to. If you have any kind of doubt, write in the comment box. And if you new on this channel, then subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. Or see you in my next video very soon.